Welcome to Improve Your Listening, Step by Step. Lesson 1. Understand main idea. Anna is a student. She goes to school by bus every day. She likes reading books and playing piano in her free time. Question 1. How does Anna go to school every day? 1. By taxi. 2. By bus. 3. By train. The correct answer is by bus. Anna goes to school by bus every day. Question 2. What does Anna like to do in her free time? A. Watch TV. B. Play the piano. C. Ride a bike. The correct answer is B. Plays the piano. Anna reads books and plays the piano in her free time. Great job! You've passed the listening exam level A1. Let's move to next section, level A2. Welcome to Improve Your Listening Step by Step. In this section, we will practice at the A2 level in detail. Let's go! Now, try to listen. Tom is a doctor. He works at a hospital in the city. He starts work at 7 a.m. and finished at 3 p.m. Tom enjoys helping people and talking to his patients. Question 1. What time does Tom start work? A. 7 a.m. B. 9 a.m. C. 8 a.m. The correct answer is 7 a.m. Tom starts work at 7 a.m. every day. Question 2. Where does Tom work? A. At a school. B. At a factory. C. At a hospital. The correct answer is C. At a hospital. Tom works at a hospital in the city. Now, listen again. Tom is a doctor. He works at a hospital in the city. He starts work at 7 a.m. and finished at 3 p.m. Tom enjoys helping people and talking to his patients. Question 3. What does Tom enjoy? A. Helping people. B. Driving. C. Watching TV. The correct answer is A. Helping people. Tom enjoys helping people and talking to his patients. Congratulate! You've passed the A2 level listening. Move to the next section to discover B1 level. Welcome to Improve Your Listening, Step by Step. In this section, we will practice listening at B1 level in details. Now, go!
I'm Anna. I usually go to the mountains every weekend. I just love being outdoors and walking for hours.
I'm Ben. I enjoy going to the pool after work. It helps me relax and stay in shape.
I'm Clara. I'm not really into sports. In fact, I spend most of my free time with a good novel.
I'm David. I've played the guitar since I was 10. It's my favorite way to unwind.
I'm Emma. I'm a big fan of films. I watch at least 3 every week.
Anna. I usually go to the mountains every weekend. I just love being outdoors and walking for hours. Ben. I enjoy going to the pool after work. It helps me relax and stay in shape. Clara. I'm not really into sports. In fact, I spend most of my free time with a good novel. David. I've played the guitar since I was 10. It's my favorite way to unwind. Emma, I'm a big fan of films. I watch at least 3 every week.
I'm Anna. I usually go to the mountains every weekend. I just love being outdoors and walking for hours.
I'm Ben. I enjoy going to the pool after work. It helps me relax and stay in shape.
I'm Clara. I'm not really into sports. In fact, I spend most of my free time with a good novel.
I'm David. I've played the guitar since I was 10. It's my favorite way to unwind.
I'm Emma. I'm a big fan of films. I watch at least 3 every week.
Now, listen to it again and check your result.
Anna. I usually go to the mountains every weekend. I just love being outdoors and walking for hours. Ben. I enjoy going to the pool after work. It helps me relax and stay in shape. Clara. I'm not really into sports. In fact, I spend most of my free time with a good novel. David. I've played the guitar since I was 10. It's my favorite way to unwind. Emma. I'm a big fan of films. I watch at least 3 every week.